Hello everyone. Today we're going to learn about stack data structure. This tutorial is a part of the data structures and algorithm class. Stack data structure mimics a physical stack of things in real life, like a stack of books in this picture. You can imagine if we have a very tall stack of books. We cannot get the book at the bottom out first. Instead, we have to get the book on the top out first. That is the nature of the stack. Last in, first out, or LIFO. Last in, first out is the main idea of the stack data structure. Stack data structure is very popular. It's usually used to model real stack of things in real life, like a stack of books. In programming, we can see popular uses like function called stack. We see it all the time in any program. Or we can see it in the implementation of depth first search algorithm. Stack data structure is a very simple data structure to understand and use. There are only two main operations in stack data structure. The first one is push, and the second one is pop. The push operation is to add data on top of the stack. In this example, I push 3 to the stack, and after that 3 is on top of the stack. The pop operation is to remove the data on the top of the stack. In this example, I pop the stack, and item 2 is removed from the stack. JavaScript doesn't have stack data structure built in, so we will build stack data structure ourselves. It is quite simple to do so. In this implementation, I define a class stack. Then I simply use an array to keep track of the stack. We have push operation to add the data on top of the stack. In O1 code complexity, we have pop operation to remove the data on top of the stack. It also has O1 code complexity. I also implement some helper functions to help us to gain some insights about our stack. The size method will tell us how many items do we have in the stack. The peek method will let us see what is the element on top of the stack. And finally, the print method will let us see all the data in the stack. So that's all we have to do to implement a stack data structure. Now we will create a stack. We initialize a stack and we print it out, and of course it is an empty stack for now. Next, we have our stack, and now we see the operations on our stack. First, we're gonna try insert. For stack data structure, insert is push. We will push 1, push 2, push 3, and we have a look at our stack. We see that our stack is 1 to 3, with 3 is the element on the top. Next operation is delete. In stack data structure, delete is pop. So if we pop it, we have the top element, which is 3. And if we print it out to check it again, our stack is now only have 1 and 2. If we take a peek, it'll give us the element on the top, which is 2. If we have a look at the size, because there are only 2 elements in the stack, it's also going to give us 2. Next, we always remember how fast it is to do operation on our data. For stack data structure, insert and delete are all O1 for push and pop. And we don't actually have access and search, so these operations are not available. That is all for today's tutorial. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.